Another take for Menji Gao. Another good takedown there. Another fall down first to each other. Wushu is not only about fighting, it's about unity. That's a good leg kick there from Johnny Fabio of Italy. Another good leg kick to Menji Gao on red is utilized. Gao is mixing the kicks and punch, and Fabio is staying with his boxing skills. Another takedown there. Down first. That if during a bout should there be a great disparity in strength between two competitors, the head judge can declare the stronger competitor as winner of the bout. And that's what we saw here. Menji Gao showing superiority in his techniques and skills.